Here I am removing the old ribbon from the straw hat. I thought it was glued on, but it is stitched on every few inches. So I'm using a serrated knife to cut the stitching. There's a few more stains on it than I realized. So first I try hydrogen peroxide in equal parts water. It's not really getting out much stains at this point. But I still clean the whole thing with the diluted hydrogen peroxide. At least it sanitizes it. So now I try water with some Dawn dishwashing liquid, just a drop or two. I work on that stain just a little bit more. It looks good. So as it turns out, I really didn't have any appropriate ribbon for the hat. These are the things that I had in my craft basket, and nothing really worked. The purple wasn't quite thick enough, or I should say wide enough, and nothing else really was what I was looking for. So I bought some new ribbon. I thought that would be really pretty for this sparkly, what I would call like a weave pattern. See if there's anything. No,
This one has a wire edge. Uh-oh, I didn't read that. Maybe that won't work. But I think I really do like this one. So we'll give this one a try. I also got another scarf at the antique mall. Look at how pretty that is. It's an unusual shape. I thought even after I put on probably this ribbon, I could jazz it up with this scarf. I'll give this a wash today.
So I measured around the circumference of the hat and left 1.5 inches extra for overlap so I can glue it with the glue gun to itself. So I just put a few dabs of the hot glue for the ribbon to stick. Hold it, and then a few more dabs at the end so it doesn't flap. At this point, I'm just adjusting the ribbon so it's even. I think it looks great.
Hi. So I think I had great success with my straw hat. And here it is. So pretty. Definitely gave an old piece some new life. That stain that was there is gone. Everything is nice and dried and perfect. And how do you like the new ribbon? I love it. So I didn't glue the ribbon to the hat. I glued the ribbon to itself, so it could probably slip off easily, and I can add another ribbon. So there we go. Since my last video, I chopped off some of my hair. So there it is. So there's that. And here's another scarf I found at the antique mall. And I added that over the ribbon I just put on there. I think it's cute. Changes the whole hat look. So that's easy to take off. Just take off that ribbon. I'm sorry, take off the scarf. There's the hat. And this scarf was an unusual shape, and I just loved it. And it has these beautiful pleats. Look at these pleats, if the camera can pick that up. And look at the shape of it. It's like a diamond shaped. Anyway, those pleats are gorgeous. It's really long, and I love it. And the rainbow color is really pretty. So anyway, Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more tips. Oh, right, and I'm wearing that bracelet I bought too the other day. I think it goes really well with this leopard print blouse. All right. Thanks again. Thanks for watching.